Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some beef back ribs on the Weber Kettle 26 with some new mods. Oh hell yeah. That royal oak, all natural charcoal, and we're using some just hunks of hickory, and we're going to smoke this for about an hour, hour and a half. Once you start to get some pullback and that bark sets up, we're only spritzing maybe once or twice. So these beef back ribs, they look alright, they're decent, and we're using Kosmo's Q SPG, and that is it. We're going to spritz with water. Putting it in some foil, spritz it one last time, wrap it, double wrap, and yeah, pull it in about an hour after that. So hour and a half. Put them up, pull them, let them rest on the cutting board. Oh, cut into these bad boys. Check these out. Oh hell yeah. Beef ribs on the Weber Kettle. Oh hell yeah, with some mods. Check this out. Brisket on a stick, bro. Check that. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get into it. Oh, hell yeah. That's rocking, folks. Damn. I mean, look at the color. Can't go wrong there. 4 hours, 275. Weber Kettle. The new heat diffuser that I put together. Got those risers from Greg, slow hand over there at the woodshed. Oh hell yeah, great. This is so damn good now. Whoo! Oh, and the proof is in the pudding. Or the brisket on the stick. Oh hell yeah. So go get yourself some grub and make something awesome new today and join the Beer Champ Nation. Leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh hell yeah. Yep, go in and help set the table. Weird, the bone. Yeah. I'm gonna take that one.
Scared shake is really good.
I know. You love it.
I love it too. I love it too.
Yeah.